Hi, I'm looking for a job. Do you have any job vacancies?
Oh, hi. There are several. What position are you looking for?
I'm more interested in a position in marketing or admin who can work with a team.
For marketing, there are vacancy at XYZ company. They are looking for a marketing officer who can also work in a team, but I'm not sure if they still have the vacancy.
Thank you very much. Do you have any other info?
So for the admin position, I've heard that there is a vacancy at ABC company. They are looking for an admin who can multitask, is good at Microsoft Office, and has good communication.
Wow, thank you very much. I'll check it out. Do you have a contact or link to that vacancy?
For XYZ company, try searching for info on their website or LinkedIn. For ABC, I'll send you the link later via chat. Okay.
Thank you so much. Hopefully that's a match. Hopefully I can get the right job.
You're welcome. Good luck. Okay. If you need any more help, just let me know.
Good morning. I heard there is a job opening here. Can I ask you more?
Good morning. Sure, there are several positions available. Are you interested in specific position?
I'm interested in administration position. Is it still available?
The administration position is still available. I will looking for candidates who have experience in document management and good communication skill. Do you have experience in that field?
Yes, I have worked as an administration staff for 2 years. I'm used to managing a team and using office software.
Okay, please sit there and wait for interview with HR and wait for your turn.
Okay, I'm waiting there. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck. With Mr. Rodi,
Yes, sir.
your turn. Please come in to the HR room, please.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Please sit here.
Hello, good morning. Thank you for your coming for today. Can you start by introducing yourself?
Good morning, thank you for the opportunity given. My name is Torik Zaidman Bukti. I graduated from LP3I Jakarta with diploma degree in logistic management. I have experience working as a logistic admin for 1 year at XYZ distribution company. I am interested in applying to this company because I feel I have the opportunity skill and want to develop a future in the logistic fleet.
Thank you, Tori. Very interesting. What makes you interested in applying for this position in our company?
I have read a lot about this company and I am very attracted to its reputation in terms of efficiency and supply chain management. I feel it's in the right place for me to develop my logistic administration skill and contribution to the smooth distribution process of goods.
We are happy to hear that. Can you tell us about your experience as logistic admin previous your company? What are the main responsibility in your position?
In my previous company, I was responsible of ensuring a smooth administration of good delivery, include checking shipping, document, monitoring stock, and coordinating with the warehouse and shipping team.
That's good experience. We need someone who can work in detail and has the ability to manage data. How do you ensure that the data you manage is always accurate?
I always double checking every document and data that come in. If there is error, I immediately coordinate with the relevant team to find a solution. I routinely coordinate to stock audit and ensure that the recording of income and outgoing goods is in according with the invoice or shipping document.
Very good, Tori. As you know, this position requires multitasking skill and the ability to work under pressure. How do you deal with busy situation or when there is a lot of work to be complete in a short time?
I always prioritize work based on urgency and importance. I am also asked to work in touch management system so I can make sure every job is done well. If there in the tonight deadline, I make sure to communicate with the team so that everything can be complete on time.
Thank you for the explanation. Do you have any question about this company or this position?
I would like to know more about the logistic team in this company. Is there an opportunity to develop further in this positioning and what is the training system?
We have a training program for every position, including the logistic team. We believe in employment development and provide opportunities to develop according to the performance and contribution given. You will work in a solid team and can learn a lot from the experience for your seniors.
Thank you very much. That is very impressive. I am very interested in being part of this company.
Thank you, Tori. We will contact you after we have finished the evaluation. Good luck.
Thank you for time and for the given. I hope to join the soon. Thank you, Mr. Iwan. Excuse me, Mr.